Alright, today I have the Roost laptop stand that I'm going to be unboxing. If you're not familiar with Roost laptop stand, they're a pretty famous, well-known company right now. I think it was a Kickstarter program that someone started up and it just took off. Now this stand for the laptop actually elevates the laptop to level that you want it to be. One of the issues with laptops is that you're bending over to see the screen. This right here will alleviate the problem by raising the laptop to the appropriate height, alleviating your neck and back problems by actually having the laptop at a level that is conducive with good posture and productivity. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. This is the Roost stand. I'm going to go ahead. Comes in a nice plastic. And it's a relatively basic looking box that it comes in. Nothing too special about it, just a plain box. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And open that up this way, and alright, it comes with this nice case that it comes in for traveling. This is the Roost right here. It's how many inches that is that? I believe that's 13. I'm not exactly sure, but it comes in a nice case that you can tuck into your bag. Gonna go ahead and pull it back that way. It has zip tie, not zip tie, but it has this right here to where you can close it up or open it back up like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, open it up, and pull out the Roost laptop stand, place it aside. And so here it is. It looks like polycarbonate structure. It says right here, what does this say? It says suggested Roost setting, your height. So if you're 6 feet, you should probably have it at the 7th setting. If you are 5'7", you should probably have it at the 4th setting. If you are 5'2", you should have it at, looks like, the 1st setting. All right, what does it say? It says Roost. Use Roost with external keyboard and mouse/trackpad. And this is to keep you from actually touching the screen and overextending yourself, and I'll demonstrate that momentarily. So right here it has the different settings, and you can glide this back and forth to get to these separate settings. So 6 foot and up, it's supposed to be at 7th setting. You adjust it right here, and same thing on the other side. It says U.S. and international patents and patents pending. And if you want to see that, it shows you where you can go to. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull it out. And just go ahead and take the plastic. Oh, there's actually a pulley lever right here for me to open it up. I totally missed it, but there it goes right there. Ha ha ha. And then I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and this is the Roost. And remember the settings that it says. You can adjust the settings by going like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. There wasn't many instructions with this, so it's kind of like have to go and guide my way to it. Okay, so you adjust the settings with this right here, this lever right here. Don't know why. There it is. Have it evenly. You just simply pull this back, or you can adjust it by having right here. This means it's unlocked. Once you get to the setting that you want, put it down to about 3 for all of the short kings out there. going to go ahead and take this and you lock it into place so it doesn't shift on you. Do you see what I just did there? Press this down and it locks into place. So I have it at the setting for number 3. And then I'm opening this up. And how does this sound? So it sets down like this. And you can see right here, there are rubber feet on this side right here. Feels like the rubber feet, and this keeps it from sliding. Okay. And before I go any further, if you read the sides like I should have, right here it says pull here to open. So these flaps right here are for you to pull to open. Opens like that. Cool flaps, and they go right back. So here is where the laptop goes. Okay. And then you're able to adjust the level. I'm going to go ahead and set a laptop on there so you can see how it locks into place. So let me go ahead and raise my roof. And I'm going to go ahead and put the laptop into place. So I'm going to go ahead and put a laptop right here. And I have it set at level 3. And so because it's set at level 3, it went all the way down. Do you see that? It's at level 3 for the short kings out there. And open up the laptop. And then you put this part and the laptop in right here. Bada boom. And it locks into place. Let's see if I can get this right here. Does it stay in place right there? Let's see. So I'm putting it in it very slowly. And hold on one second. I'm trying to make sure that everything is secure. And look at that. So it stands into place. It raises the laptop screen up. I'll give a side view of it right here. Now say for instance, you're not a short king and you're a tall king. Okay? You'll want it a little bit higher. And I'll show you how it adjusts in 1 second. Go ahead and close this down. And let me go ahead and adjust this, not for the short kings anymore, but for the tall kings. And in order to adjust it, you have to change this. And remember what I did. Let me zoom in. Unlock it. And then you can raise it to the level that you want it at. So I'll adjust it to a 7 for the tall kings out there. And actually when it adjusts, it actually goes narrow. Not exactly sure why it does that, but it does it. And so I have this into place. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my laptop back into place. Just like that. Make sure that it's locked like it's supposed to be. And then I'm going to turn it to the side. And this is what it looks like. Very sturdy. Very sturdy. It won't tip out. If it tips out, the entire thing goes with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a look at what it looks. This is what it looks like from the backside. And very sturdy right here. It's more sturdy than what I thought it would be. And then I'll give you a full glance of the entire thing. Let me go up so you can see this. So you see that? It's just sitting there, nice and square. And so when I push it forward, the whole thing goes forward. The laptop itself will not fall out. It's in here nice and secure due to the rubber pads right here. And it seems sturdy. It says use this with a mouse or a trackpad and a keyboard. So you can put your keyboard, mouse pad right here, and you control it. And it gives you a nice, good, elevated screen to look at. Sturdy. Alleviate the neck problems. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.